Yeah, hello. Well, just a quick one. So I'm going to be sharing a quick walkthrough of how I model a very basic trouser or shorts. Basically any pants in Blender. So this is my process. I usually start with a cube, scale it down to the proportion of the character. Let me turn this off. I'm not using it. Yeah, usually it's advisable to check from different view while modeling. So going into edit mode, scale it on the Z-axis, so flatten it out a bit. And yeah, I can switch between the wireframe mode and solid mode just by pressing Shift Z twice. So let's switch to the box select this. Yeah, since the trouser is symmetrical on both sides, I'll just delete half of it, adding a loop cut in the center, selecting this half, and deleting it. So going ahead, I would add a mirror modifier. So whatever I'm doing on this side will mirror to the other side. That's quite simple. Back to edit mode, add the loop cuts here, and add another loop cut here, so I can add as much detail as I need. Yeah, it's a trouser. We don't need the top faces. I'll go ahead and select the face at the top and delete it. And from the front view as well, I would let me go back. Yeah, bring the character back so I can work with it. I would move this into place, something like this. Also move this upwards. So this is from the front view. I'm just trying to align this. And from the side view as well, move this back, bring this out for the buttocks area, and bring this inward as well. So just me trying to match the overall shape of the character, even though it's going to be like a boxy shape currently. But we are not really sharing so much about that at this stage. Move this upwards as well. Let me see what we have. Move this up. And yeah. Next, okay. And in the mirror modifier, I'm going to turn on clipping. Totally forgot about that. So I can move this, make sure they are clipped at center. So I'll select this down face and extrude it all the way down on the Z axis. Scale it on the Z axis by 0. Scale it down. Go to the side view. Just trying to align it to the legs basically. And right now I can delete these legs and faces. And yeah, we have our basic pants. Just kidding, I'm not done yet. So I'll go ahead and add some loop cuts. I think 3 should be fine. And yeah, at this point I can just go ahead and apply the mirror modifier. Go into sculpt mode, add a subdivision. So the quickest way to do it is just by pressing Ctrl 2 while in sculpt mode to add a multi-resolution modifier. You can click on add and search for it, the multi-resolution modifier. Make sure X mirror is turned on. And yeah, currently I'm using my inflate brush to kind of inflate certain areas. You can use any brush of your choice this time around. I'm just sculpting the trouser into shape. So I think this, for me, I think this is the quickest method of adding. I can smooth this down. This is the quickest method to model a trouser. For me personally, there might be other quick method. Yeah, there are also, yeah, I have some add-ons I could use as well, but for now I'm just showing you the generic quick and do it without the use of any add-on. Just Blender modeling tools. There's the Divine Cutter add-on by Zing Graphics. Yeah, I think I use that as well to sew clothes, stylized and also realistic as well. It kind of works like uh Marvelous Designer. Well, not exactly like that, but yeah, it kind of generates whatever kind of clothing it. It's way simpler than Blender Simulation 2. And yeah, once I'm done with this, I can go back to object mode, increase the level to 1. So usually I like working with slow poly and going up from here. So with a viewport level of 1, I can just go ahead and apply. And if you go into edit mode, it's your trouser. So now I can go ahead, select this middle line of this middle edge, go to vertex select, hide it, select this particular edge and delete, sorry, and add X and delete faces to add a hero modifier back. And yeah, now you can go ahead and add whatever details you wish to add to show that just move this into place. I think I also made a tutorial a while back on how to add seams, but just in case you haven't seen that yet, I can do that by just selecting this edge, selecting this, and also selecting this. Ctrl E and mark sharp. Go ahead and add an edge split modifier, add a solidify modifier, and in the edge split, I will just uncheck this 30 degree. All I just need is the sharp edges. With solidify, I can increase. How is this working? Okay, changes from. I usually prefer putting the offset at 0 while working with solidify. So I can right click and shade smooth. You can go ahead and with this enabled, if you select this and Ctrl E, mark sharp, it should add a seam here. So, and yeah, this is your basic pant in Blender. Yeah.